To celebrate National Cheese Lovers Day, we sent Steve Harris out to Emo's Pizza headquarters, then made his day with some cheesy Provel pizza. Ooh. But that's not all. It's going to be a lucky day for one of you. Let's go live now to Steve at Emo's Cheese Room. Steve.
What I've got here is a bona fide Provel shaving. Good stuff. Now here's what's going on. I want to take you over a quick recap. Yeah. You like that? 44-pound blocks over there. They get cut up. They get put in this thing that looks like a big funnel, which grinds it up into this cool stuff that you've seen, the little crinkly looking. Then they go in the boxes. Good cheese. Close the lid, and it ends up looking like, well, what we've got over here on this table with Nick here. Nick, I want to ask you, this is all the great product you can find in the store. What are we looking at?
So we got everything here. We have our sliced cheese. We have 2 different size slices. We have our 5-pound block. We have the shredded cheese. So this is our most popular seller. So we sold about 500,000 or over 500,000 last year of these.
I bought most of that.
You bought most of it. I think I saw the receipts for that. But this is the big block. This is how it comes in, 44-pound block. And then also for our pizza parlors, we shred it up in 5-pound bags, and this is what goes to all the parlors, and this is what goes on your pizzas when you order Emo's and it gets delivered to your house.
Now, I am about to pick a winner. I want you to tell us what they are winning, Nick.
All right, so for the lucky winner today, we have our popular 8-ounce rope, our 8-ounce slice, 8-ounce shredded. We got some Emo stickers, and of course, a yo-yo.
A yo-yo that I myself used on the air. I let Nick pick the winner here. What do we got here? Oh, there it is. It's technology, you know what I mean? Hold on. Oh, the suspense is killing. Okay, here it is. It is.
We have Angela 6967, loving the Emos. It isn't easy being cheesy.
Actually, for me it is. And for you guys, I guess it would be. But there you go. So you win. Very good. This is really cool. I've never seen anything like this, and it was really interesting. Thanks, Nick.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
What do you think, guys?
I love it. It isn't easy being cheesy.
No, it's not.
That was cute.
I love it.
Thank you very much, Steve. I really enjoyed those live shots today. I feel like I learned something.
I want to go in the Emo's cheese room. Before today, I didn't even know it existed.
They should have a tour.
Yes.
They should.
Field trip.
I like it.